we go. We are here for a brand highlight, so there's not much time. I won't talk too much, which is something I normally do, but I'm very excited to have somebody all the way from Italy, Lorenzo Aquilante, which is from Agade Exoskeleton, and we didn't met at CES 2026, but they were there, and this is the spark that made us connect and have this little story here. So Lorenzo, tell me a little bit about you and a little bit about Agade Exoskeletons.
Hi Marco, thank you for the invitation. So I'm Lorenzo, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Agade Exoskeletons. We basically born as a spin-off of Polytechnic of Milan, here based in Milan, Italy. And from 2020, we started this company after a few years of research project at Polytechnic of Milan. Started in 2017, working on exoskeletons for people affected by muscular dystrophy, so healthcare. We developed a technology and an innovative motor, basically a semi-active motor that I will explain later. That we patented there at Polytechnic, and then in 2020 what happened is that the companies here around Milan and also around Italy started asking us, look, why don't we use this technology for industrial exoskeletons to help operators during very fatiguing tasks at work, from logistics, manufacturing. So we started Agade for this mission. So our mission is to preserve craftsmanship against manual material handling tasks, and where human skills really matters actually. So where the human being cannot be replaced for experiencing for skills matters. So we developed this technology. So far we developed two products. The second one we showed at CES, we presented at CES. The first one was launched in 2024 for shoulder assistance. Is still semi-active based on AI to recognize when the user is lifting payloads. And the second one is more focused on the back, on the low back, which it covers most of the market because, you know, everyone can get easy low back pain at work especially.
Yeah. So let me focus a little bit on this, because that would have been one of my questions. When you see exoskeleton, YouTube, everywhere, it's usually for helping in a medical field. So the fact that you're spinning with that, are you still doing both? Like quickly, do you still have both applications? We focus on the... So tell me about the feedback at CES.
Yeah, I mean, this is the fact, and this is really interesting because we live on feedbacks. Okay, feedback is our work. Since from the first day until today, we are still working on feedback, on test on field. And since from the very beginning, we start working with companies because the true fact is that if you want to adopt this kind of technology, no matter, regardless of the technology that is behind it, you need to test to get feedback from the user and also from the buyer, which is not the user in this case. First, the feedback we got is, of course, the attractive aspect of having a robot on your body. And there is this wow effect, especially when you have motors and sensors. But then you go on field with the user, with real users, and you, of course, need to start on the ergonomics, on the comfort aspect. Because at the end of the day, you want this product being used day after day during very fatiguing tasks. And the benefit must be always as a final target of your activity. We measure this following many KPIs, but I would say that the good feedback from the user, and also when the user starts telling you which could be improved in the product, this is the best way we can collaborate with the companies and, of course, to improve the product.
Perfect. How can people that didn't meet you at CES in Las Vegas this year can get in touch with you? Is there a website? And do you have another event maybe you're going to be on next?
Yeah, so basically our website, you can reach us on our website, agadexoskeletons.com. And yeah, we're gonna in other exhibitions, mainly in Europe, but you can find us also on the social media, LinkedIn, Meta, channel still as Agade Exoskeletons. and the products are available. So you can send an inquiry from our website from everywhere in the world to get information about our products, and also to try the product. Actually, we have the services to let you try it without necessarily buying it.
Yeah, I'm imagining it has a certain price and it's not for everybody. Perfect, Lorenzo. We're out of time, so I'm excited. Thank you for spending the time with me. And
thank
I don't know,
thank
maybe
you
I'll
very
come
much.
and visit you when I come in Italy. The product is available everywhere in the world. So get on it, learn more about it, and stay tuned for more stories like this, brand highlights from me and my next guest, who knows who it is. Thank you.
Thank you.